Thinking of taking all this out of here and putting all his books there for now. So there he is. Hi. What are you doing? This right here, my son did it. He put it in the washer with bleach. Okay, I moved them from the top to the bottom because I feel like they're too heavy to be on the top, and this is not that strong. Now we'll fix this. Okay, I got rid of the extension cord that I had here because I was getting scared of it one day, God forbid, catching on fire. And then I have the books here. Yeah, no.